One day, a police officer noticed a car speeding dangerously through a school zone. He chased after the vehicle. After several minutes, he finally pulled the car over. Approaching the driver's window, the officer was surprised to find an elderly man behind the wheel. "Sir, you were speeding in a 70-mile-per-hour zone. Is there an emergency?" The elderly man, his hands trembling, responded, "Yes, officer. It's urgent. My son is gravely ill." Officer asked, "Are you sure you're in a condition to be driving at your age, sir?" With tears in his eyes, the elderly man replied, "I'm not drunk, officer. My son has cancer, and I'm the only one who can take him to the hospital. His family abandoned him. I've been caring for him alone." The next day, the elderly man appeared in court. The judge said, "Do you realize you were driving 70 miles per hour in a school zone?" With a broken voice, the man explained, "I'm 89 years old, and my son is 65. He's fighting cancer, and I was taking him to his treatments." The judge, moved by the man's love and dedication, and softly said, "At your age, you're still taking care of your son. You're an extraordinary father. Your case is dismissed. Go home and take care of your son."